Hello and welcome to How to Build a Website for Your Business Using WordPress. This is a course designed for entrepreneurs who want to get their business or organization online but don't have any technical skills to build their own website and don't have the budget to either hire a web design agency or hire a full-time IT person to build it for them. So this is not a in-depth course in WordPress. This is basically a practical step-by-step workshop that will at the end of it, you will have a tangible website for your business. The website that you actually see on the screen right now is the one we're going to build. Uses WordPress. This particular example is a website for an interior design company. Shows their portfolio, shows testimonials, shows their blog. All these features very popular with most businesses. So this is a great template to follow. And at the end of this course, you will have a working website. My name is Scott. I'm from IT Butler. We're a web design agency. We believe that entrepreneurs shouldn't have to spend thousands of dollars to have a great website just by using WordPress or other simple CMS platforms. You can have a fantastic website without spending a lot of money. So we're going to use WordPress, and you may wonder why or what is WordPress if you've never heard of it and why. So WordPress is a CMS system, which basically means they have templates for most things, so you don't have to be a web developer. You don't have to be able to code it all. Everything's kind of laid out for you. You just have to move stuff around and play with the layout of it. And why is WordPress great? It's great because it's highly customizable. There's an unlimited variety of themes that you can have the website look almost however you want. There are thousands of different widgets and plugins, and we'll get into what those are later, but for now, you just need to know that those allow your website to do different things. So you can really incorporate almost any task into your website by using a widget or a plugin. Also, Google loves WordPress, so websites that are built on WordPress continually rank higher in Google's organic search. And lastly, WordPress has a large community of users. Because so many people are using this platform, there's tons of help forums out there. So if you're running into a problem, odds are someone's had that problem before and you can find the answer to it online, or you can post it in a forum and someone will be able to solve it for you. So the whole network effect with all these users makes it great for someone who doesn't really know what they're doing. You can find the answers out there. So at this point, you've registered for the course, and there were a few kind of things you need to do before you move on from the intro into the actual meat of the course. So they are, you need to find a domain name for your website. So search for an available website or an available domain name, register it. You don't need to purchase any hosting. We'll provide you free hosting for the purpose of this video. You also should have emailed me that domain name so that I can add it to add it to my list and open an account for you. You should have changed the name servers with your domain registrar so that they point to your hosting account with us. So that's in the course description. I also should have emailed it to you, but if you don't have it, let me know. I'll email it to you again. Lastly, you should have a folder on your computer, probably on your desktop would be easiest. That's very easy for you to access, and in that folder, put anything you want to put on your website. So your logo, you're going to want to put any images or text that you want to use on your website. Also, I'll give you a theme that you can use, but you can also search online and find a theme in WordPress that you think would fit best for the look you want to give your website, and download that in zip format, so in a zipped file, and put that in the folder too, because you're going to need to install that if you want to use a different theme. So have all that stuff ready. If you have it ready, then you are ready to move on to the next lecture. If you don't have it ready, please prepare that stuff before you move forward any further in this course, because you will need it, and it'll be very helpful if you have it all handy in a folder on your desktop. Okay, well, thank you very much for registering, and once you have gathered all that information, please move on to the next lecture.